How to start and finish your thread without knots. Loop method. The loop method is one of my favorite. It's a neat way to start your thread without making a knot on the back, and it works when you are stitching with even number of strands, 2, 4 or 6. For example, if I need 2 strands, I take one long strand of thread and fold it in half, so these 2 ends meet together. Or if you need 4 strands, you can take 2 long strands, fold it in half, and on another side, I get a little loop. Then I thread those loose ends through the needle, and when I make the first stitch, I bring the needle up from the back and go down to make a small stitch. But before pulling all the way through, I pass the needle through the little loop on the back. Then I pull gently and I get my thread secured in place, and I just continue stitching. So instead of tying a knot, the loop holds the thread for you. This method gives you a cleaner back, makes your embroidery look neater, and avoids bulky knots. When there is about 5 inches of loss left in my needle, it's time to finish the thread, and here is how I like to do it. I slide between the stitches and fabric on the back, close to the place where I came up, and it creates a loop. Then I go through this loop and tie it. I don't cut the thread yet. In order to hide the tail, I slide under the stitches a few times, and I'm whipping the thread tail, so then I can cut it really close. This way the backside of my works looks neat and clean. I hope my video tutorial was helpful for you. Give it a like and share it with your stitching friends. And if you know even more tips, feel free to share them with everyone in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Download this free pattern on my website and practice those beautiful embroidery stitches. The link in the video description below. Subscribe for more tips and tricks about hand embroidery, and in my next videos, you will learn more methods on how to start and finish your thread without knots. Watch this video next. I think you'll like it too. See you there!